Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YASMIN NAJIHAH binti Muhammad from T1A. Today I will introduce about geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies shape, size, position and space. The word geometry comes from the Greek word that means earth and measurement because people used it long ago to measure land. Geometry is very useful in our daily life. It is used architecture and engineering to design building and bridge, in art and design, to make this balance, and in technology like computer graphic and 3D animation. It also help us in navigation while using GPS, and medicine for MRI and CT scan, and in manufacturing to make accurate measurement. So, geometry is not just math, but something we use in real world.
Okay, so we look at the question 1. In this question, the tree was broken due to a storm. We need to find how tall the tree was before it fell. From the diagram, we can see the broken tree forms a right. The length of AB is 15 feet and the height BC is 8 feet. The missing side AC represents the broken part of the tree. So we use Pythagoras theorem, which is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute the value AC square equal to 15 square plus 8 square. So AC square equal to 225 plus 94. The total AC square 289. Now take the square root of 289 and we get AC equal to 17 feet. Finally, we can add the broken part and the standing part. So 17 feet plus 8 feet equal to 25 feet. Therefore, the total height of the tree before it fell was 25 feet.
For question 1b, figure 2 shows a vegetable garden owned by Mr. Thomas. The garden is rectangular shaped and its length is twice of the width. If Mr. Thomas is putting 180 meters of fence around its garden, state the length of the width of the vegetable garden. So, to find the size of the garden, we start with the formula for the perimeter of a rectangular, which is perimeter equals to 2 times length plus width. We know the perimeter is 180 meters and the length is twice the width, so we replace length with 2 times width in the formula. So it means 180 equals to 2 times 2 width plus the width. Then we simplify it. 100 equals to 6 width. Now we divide both sides by 6 to find the width. So W equals to 30 meters. Since the length is twice the width, length equals to 2 times 30. So the total is 60 meters. So the garden is 30 meters wide and 60 meters long.
Now, I will solve and explain question 1c. This question asks us to determine the surface area of the TNT box. Okay, we have information that this box has a length of 300 mm or 30 cm. Width of this box is 250 meter or 25 cm, and height of this box 200 mm or 20 cm. Based on the information we get, we can use the formula for surface area, which is 2 open bracket AB plus BC plus AC close bracket. Okay, now our AB is 30 and 50. We multiply, so we get 750 centimeter. BC is 25 centimeter, multiply 20 centimeter, we get 500 centimeter. While AC is 30 centimeter, multiply 20 centimeter, we get the answer 500 centimeter. Now we enter that number in the formula just now. 2 open bracket 750 plus 500 plus 600. Solve the bracket first and we will get 2 in open bracket 1000 850, close bracket. Then multiply by 2 and we get the final answer is 30,700 centimeter.
Okay, now I will explain question 1D as well. The diagram there show a thermos bottle with a height of 32 of 5 cm. Based on the question asked, which is to calculate the volume of a thermos bottle with a cap. Okay, for the volume formula, we can use the formula is V is a volume equal pi r power of 2h. Since the question does not give the value of pi, we will use I equals to 3.142. Based on the information given in the diagram, we can enter the value in the formula, and it will be V equal 3.142 bracket 6.05 power 2 bracket again 32.5. We will get the answer that the volume of the bottle is 3.7274 centimeter power of 3. After that, we will convert into the liter. 3.274 will be divided by 1000. Okay, and the answer for the volume of the thermos bottle with the cap is 3.7374 or 3.74 liters. Okay, now for the second question is the same, but he asked to find the volume of the thermos bottle without cap. We use the same formula, which is V equal to pi r power of 2h. Before we enter the value, we need to subtract the height of the bottle from the height of the bottle base. 3.2.5 minus 7.6. We can get the answer is 24.9. And enter into the formula V equal to 3.142 bracket 6.05 bracket power of 2 bracket again 24.9 bracket. So V, the final answer is V is 2863.43 centimeter cm3. We will convert into the liter. 2863.43 cm over 3 divided by 1000, and the final answer is 2.86 liters.
For question 1E, Mr. Akmal just bought an apartment in Penang and the floor plan shown in figure 5. If he wants to install the hardwood floor except the balcony and bathroom, calculate how much area should he install it. We are told that the total area for the apartment is 71 square meter and balcony area 9.8 square meter. And lastly, bathroom area is 4.5 square meter. We only want to install the hardwood floor in the remaining area. So, area to install the hardwood floor equals to total area minus balcony plus bathroom. We need to calculate the total area for balcony and bathroom. So 71 minus 9.8 plus 4.5, and then 71 minus 14.3 equals to 56.7 square meter. For the next question, we need to find the total cost of installing the hardwood floor. We are told that cost per square meter is 275 ringgit and area to install the hardwood floor is 56.7 square meter. So the total cost is area times cost per square meter. So 56.7 times 275 ringgit equals to 15,592 ringgit 5 cents.
Today, I'm going to talk about the Temple of Kukuchan and also known as El Castillo, which means the castle in Spanish. It is located in Chichen Itza on the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, and it was built by the Maya civilization between 9th and 12th centuries AD. The temple was used for religious and ceremonial purposes, especially to honor Kukulcan, the Vedic serpent god who represents powers and wisdom.
Today, it is a popular tourist attraction and a protected historical site. Visitors can see it, but climbing is not allowed anymore to protect the pyramid. The pyramid is about 13 meters tall and 55 meters wide on each side. It has 365 steps, which represent the day of the year. It is made of cut limestone filled with rubble, and it was once covered with plaster and colorful paint. In conclusion, the Temple of Kukulcan is not just beautiful, but also a symbol of the Maya civilization, intelligence, and creativity. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.